Back to the next video. In today's video of learning view, we will look into the life cycle for a view component. So here you can see that this is again a normal view component, and firstly here these are all life cycle methods for a view component. So before created, before mounted, before updated, before unmounted. So before create is called even before the view instance is created. So I have this property called this dot people. If you try to, so here you can see, and if you try to print this over here, you will always get it as undefined or null. But on created, you are able to get the property of this people array. Then before mount, I am printing this $EL. So $EL is a property that refers to the root element of view instance. I will show you in a bit as well. And mounted, here you can see, like before mount this will be null, but once it is mounted you will get proper value to this. And before updated is called whenever value is been updated. I will show you that as well. And before unmount is called once if you are trying to clean something up, like if you have subscribed to some event and you want to clean it up, you can call it before unmount. So here you can see that I will just go to the inspect element tab. I will refresh it. So here you can see before create was called and the value for people is undefined, but in created we are able to see the value for people because I'm just printing the name John. Before unmount, the $EL value is null, but once it is mounted, here you can see that it's basically all and the entire view instance. So this is very large data. Now suppose here, so I will just refresh, like delete this. Now here you can see I have this people array, as well as I have one method called move and one method called copy. So inside the move method, all I am doing is that I am shifting this first John from top to the bottom. That's what I am doing. So once we do that, this on updated, before update and updated method will get called. And a copy, I am just copying some data to the clipboard. And here you can see this is the div v4 tag, and if you are using the v4 to loop through an array, you have to use this key. Otherwise you might it might result in inconsistency of data if you're trying to add or remove data from your array. And here is I have a button, and inside click, I'm just preventing the event.prevent default thing, and I'm just calling the move method over here, and here I'm just copy the copy method. So here now just keep an eye on your console. So if I click on move to bottom, here you can see before update was called and updated function was called, and this also got moved. Okay, from, so if I now press it again, here you can see Rick was moved to the bottom, and copy is just for copying text to the navigator. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.